Today I'm going to be showing you a cool project that I came up with, and I think you're going to like it. Here we are, and this is the project. This is a puzzle box. The cool part about this is that there's nothing on the outside. You just got the lid with the handle, and there is cut into a channel there, and there's no apparent way to open it. So I designed this whole thing, and although I took in some information from other sources, it's pretty much all my own idea. So let's show you how to open it. Stage 1 complete. I got it. There's 3 stages, and I gotta pass the first one, so I'm gonna keep trying. Oh, just went back. See, if you slide it back after getting through one of the stages, it locks to whatever you slid it back to.
I got it back. I'm gonna keep going.
Stage 2, even further. And it's out. Alright, so how this box works is an idea that is quite cool. So, if you can see here, there are these little rolling like wheel things inside here, and they're each separated by a small washer. And they're not like normal wheels. They've got an interesting look to them. So, why don't I show you up close? So, oh my gosh, I'm pretty clumsy today. Here is the little thing, stopper that goes on the end to keep all the rings from falling off. And this is what the rings look like. So they got the hole in the middle, and then there's a cutout on one side. And so they're weighted. See here, it's even like cut down. So it's weighted. And if it's in its normal orientation, it's not going to spin freely like a normal wheel would. It is going to sit like this. Because not only is there more plastic down there from the 3D print, but there's this nail that I put in to add even more weight so that it is a little more smooth. So they'll always sit like this. So in order to get the lid through, you have to tilt the box until, keep tilting, until right about here, because this one will sit like this. And there's 3 of these, so there's 3 different angles you have to tilt the box to. And they're all sitting inside this channel, like this. And you can't pull it out until you tilt it to the right angle. Not a right angle, but the correct angle. And you can slide it out. Except if it's slightly off, it's going to be in that channel. So it's got to line up with this flat spot on the rings. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll be showing you shortly how this yo-yo I made works, as well as some of these cool wood-burned coasters. See you next time.